Extreme Sebum Removal Oil Extraction Deep Pore Cleaning Transformation, Oil. It builds up silently, inside the pores, layer by layer, until the skin starts to feel heavy, shiny on the surface, clogged underneath. In today's treatment, we are performing extreme sebum removal, and the amount of oil extracted is intense. What is sebum? Sebum is natural oil, produced by your skin. It helps protect and moisturize the surface, but when too much is produced, it starts to collect inside the pores. When sebum becomes a problem, excess sebum mixes with dirt, dead skin, pollution. This creates thick buildup. Over time, it leads to clogged pores, blackheads, greasy skin. Step 1. Surface oil removal. We begin with cleansing. To remove surface oil, this prepares the skin for deeper extraction. Step 2. Steam softening. Steam is applied to soften the sebum inside the pores. This makes extraction smoother. Step 3. Oil extraction begins. Now the extraction starts. As pressure is applied, thick sebum begins to release from the pores. Step 4. Heavy sebum removal. Main satisfaction. Now the most congested areas are targeted. Multiple pores release oil, one after another. This creates a highly satisfying flow. Step 5. Full pore detox. All pores are cleaned completely. This reduces excess oil, clogged buildup, uneven texture. Step 6. Skin balancing. After oil removal, the skin is balanced. Hydration is applied to control future oil production. Final transformation. Before, oily, heavy, clogged pores. After, clean, light, balanced skin. The difference is clear. Final message: oil is natural, but excess oil needs control, and when it's removed properly, the skin feels lighter. If you enjoyed this extreme sebum removal, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more deep pore cleaning, blackhead removal, and satisfying skincare transformations. Stay connected.